Hey Mariners, this is going to be your first project on part patterning. You have got a post with the Tetris block arrangements that are out there in the world. You have an O block, I block, S, Z, L, J, and T. I want you to build those using part patterns, and you're going to make one of these cubes. I'm just going to rewind and forward through it. You're going to make a 20 millimeter cube and then chamfer it and then pattern it like that. So backing up and starting from the beginning, you're going to start a sketch on the front plane wherever you're going to make your pieces. You're going to arrange them just really however you want to make them look interesting. Pull out a rectangle. I'm going to make this purple block here, starting with the bottom left. I'm going to go 20 millimeters, enter, 20, enter, extrude, 20. And so now I have a 20 millimeter cube. I'm going to hit the chamfer control here, change the measurement to 2.5 millimeters, which means it's going to come in from the outside corner, 2.5 millimeters both directions. Here I can just drag across that cube. It's going to select all of the edges instead of having to click the edges one by one. Green check mark when you're done with that. Now to pattern, you are going to simply select this linear pattern tool, click on the cube. It's going to select it. Direction, you're going to use one of these edges on the cube to tell it which direction you want it to go. It may go in the opposite direction you wanted it to, but you just flip it right here. Now what it's doing is I have a 25 millimeter distance, it's saying. This is 20 millimeters long, and it's from the first edge here to the first edge here. It's now 25 millimeters. So if I change the spacing to 20, it's going to touch those edges together, and I'm going to change this to an instance of 4. Actually, that should be, 3. Finish that, and we can just take this last one up here and pattern it to the right by selecting it, clicking the red directional bar there, and just clicking the horizontal edge and changing the measurements to 20 also here. You're just going to highlight these, take these parts down here. You can select them all and change the appearance, make them whatever colors you want them to be, and just complete the set doing the same way. I'll do one more real quick. That's the millimeter cube. Highlight the cube by dragging it over it, hitting the chamfer control, making sure it's 2.5 millimeters. Done. Now I'm making this T-shaped block here, so I'm just going to click this linear pattern button, select that cube, choose a direction of horizontal to begin with. See, it's going to the left. I want it to go to the right, so I just flip this thing, change that to 20, make it go 3 times horizontally. With that one, take the center block here, click linear pattern, choose the direction vertically. I want it to go up, change it to 20 millimeter spacing. Boom, next one finished. It's not that hard. It's a neat, fun little project here. So finish the board and get this in your Google Slides. Take some interesting angle shots, show off your skills, and I'll see you soon.